How to build your own hair care routine. Have you tried various types of shampoos and conditioners, yet nothing seems to work? You probably haven't found the products that are right for you. Creating an effective routine begins with finding the right products to use. Remember, choosing the right hair care products always depends on 3 things: your hair type, your hair issues, and your hair goals. Let's discuss each category. Hair type. Hair type describes the shape of your hair. Do you have straight, wavy, curly, or coily hair? Hair issues. The common ones are dry hair, split ends, weak strands, dandruff, hair fall, and hair loss. Hair goals are the results you want to achieve with your hair care routine. Is it to hydrate, strengthen, or add shine to your hair? Do you want better hair growth, hair loss treatment, or curl definition? You can have a few hair goals, but it's important to set only up to 3 focus goals at a time to see good results. Finding the right shampoo and conditioner is important for a few reasons: to avoid hair damage from using inappropriate solutions, to save money by investing on products that work, to target and achieve specific hair goals, to see long-lasting results. Start building a naturally nourishing routine that's tailored to your hair type and goals, and get stronger, healthier hair. Take the Shiny Leaf Hair Quiz, and we'll help you find the best solutions that match your hair care needs. Just click on the link in the description to get started. Shiny Leaf. Look good. Love yourself.